So in this particular question, we have to show that all the diagonal elements of a skew-symmetric matrix are 0. So we start by considering a matrix A, whose elements are given by Aij and having the order m cross m be a skew-symmetric matrix. Now, for any matrix to be skew-symmetric, it has the elements Aij must be equals to the negative times Aj of I. Now, since we have to prove that the diagonal elements are 0, so I equals to j represents all the diagonal elements. So we use this value. This will give us Aii is equals to negative Aii. Then we sum it up. This will give us Aii plus Aii equals to 0, which implies twice of Aii is equals to 0. Dividing both sides by 2, we get Aii, which is equals to 0. Hence, this proves that all the diagonal elements of a skew-symmetric matrix are 0.